So today we're at Trinity Health Hospital. Our allied health students are getting the opportunity to meet the real experts in the field of healthcare.
So the scenario is an 18-year-old football player that is injured on the football field and breaks his femur, or the long bone in his leg. And so the first person he will see is the athletic trainer, and then the firefighters and paramedics will come. He's taken to the emergency department where a number of different people will take care of him there. Now, there's also people who are not going to actually see the patient, but are taking care of that patient. Folks that work in our lab, folks that work in our computers, in our dietary area. And so the goal here is really to introduce these kids to the vast number of careers that are available right here in Muskegon County.
This was pretty exciting for me because it helps me figure out all the different career paths and stuff like that, and not just oh, there's nurses and there's doctors. There's more things besides that, and there's stations we're doing, so it shows each career.
I didn't really like going outside and stuff like that. I don't like socializing like that, but CTC, it kind of showed me that there's I actually like talking to people. I actually like working with people, and I actually want to help people. And CTC, you get a lot of hands-on learning experience. It's actually really important if you want to do something in your career, if you actually know what you want to do and stuff like that. I feel like CTC is great to have those hands-on experiences and actually put some work into what you want to do.
There are so many intelligent kids in Muskegon County who could work for us and be a part of our hospital system, and right here from their own home, and take care of their neighbors and their friends and their families. That's what we want. We want a community hospital made up of our community. And we want people to know that their community members are taking care of them, because that's what you care about the most. You care about the people who you know. You care about your family, you care about your friends, you care about so many others. We want them to be a part of that and to be able to care for our folks here.
What excites me most is those students that get fired up about the healthcare careers, that this kind of launches them into that next step from being inquisitive about healthcare to more sure of themselves, yes, this is what I want to do.